Okay everyone, in this video I'm going to explain to all of you about the tutorial about how to make high-rise building in Sketchup. Okay, first of all we have to make a basic shape with a rotated rectangle right here. Then we can set the length and width around 50,000 millimeter or 50 meter and 30 meter for the width. Okay, we can set it. Okay, I wanna show to you about the dimension itself. This is on millimeter, right? Okay, and then we have to erase it. Okay, and then we can make a thickness of the floor anyway. We can set the thickness around 1000 millimeter anyway. Okay, and then it's just simple detail anyway. Okay, and then we have to make it component, create it, and then we can set the first floor for the height of the first floor around 8000 millimeter. Okay, and then we can set the typical floor on the top and the top position, or we can set the height around 4000 millimeter. Okay. So the clearance from the floor up until the ceiling is around 3 meter. Okay. Then we can set the height. With a move and select control and duplicate it. It's depend on your desire about how many floor you want anyway. I set it around 50 floor. Okay, something like this. You can see it. This is a basic shape of the floor arrangement of the high-rise building, and then we can make another variation of the wall. In this case, I wanna make this variation with a rectangle, and then I wanna make the shading right here, and then I have to push it to the another side around maybe 2000 millimeter. Okay, and then I wanna push it up until maybe for 4000 millimeter, or I wanna make it more, maybe around 10 millimeter. And I wanna make the shading of this top floor of the rooftop of the high-rise by select the line, select move, and select the thickness around 2000 millimeter also. Then we have to push it until to the gear. Okay, maybe we can make a canopy right here. Maybe we can make a shading right here. Okay, and we can make it group for first. Then we can make a rectangle to make the beam right here, to make a beam and shading, top shading anyway. Then we have to push it until the another position, approximately around 500 millimeter, and then we have to make component, just create it. Then we have to move and select control. Then we have to place in this, and we can type around 20 slash and enter, so it will be automatic arrangement of this grid anyway. Okay, and then we can make it more wider than this floor. Okay, we can make it around 3000 millimeter anyway, and the back side 3000 millimeter also, and this is 3000 millimeter also. Okay, and after that we can get the basic shape of this high rise, and after that we can make a parapet right here. We need to make it unique first, then we have to make a parapet wall of the top for safety. Okay, we have to offset it inside around 200 millimeter, then we can push it up around 2000 millimeter. Okay, and after that we can make a building core anyway in here, so we can offset it inside. We can offset inside as small as it can be. Okay, around, maybe I will offset it around 9000 millimeter. Okay, and this core are used to make services room, such as lift, stair, pantry, restroom, and another services room. And this room are using for commercial room or residential room anyway. So this core area, ideally the size of this core area here are 30% only, maximum 30% only, because it would be a commercial building anyway. Anyway, we can make a just simple room arrangement right here. We can make a just simple room, maybe with 8 millimeter, and this is 8 millimeter, and the center room are using for lift. Maybe can offset it around 4 meter, and this is 4 meter also. Then we can erase it. So this is a lift lobby, and then we can set the height around. Okay, we can set the height of its core. Okay, we can set the height. So this is a lobby lift, and another services area on this area anyway. And this is for commercial use, maybe for office rent, for apartment unit, hotel, and etc. Okay, and then we can make it unique. And just push it up. You can just push it up maybe until this area, and we can also push it up until the top floor, the rooftop anyway. And maybe we can make another rectangle right here to make the cover itself. It's just simple shape anyway. Okay, this is a core building anyway. We have to make it unique. So the first floor, the ground floor, are the most higher ceiling than another floor on above. Okay, and after that we have to make frame. We have to make a curtain wall with a rectangle anyway. We can set a rotated rectangle from this parapet. Then we can make a thickness anyway. Maybe we can make a thickness around 100 millimeter. It's just for example, for the standard dimension, you can consult and you can discuss with the engineering services of the curtain wall itself. Okay, and then we can set the distance it around maybe 400 millimeter. Okay, and this is just for simple. This is just for a simple dimension anyway, not for detail. And the dimension you have to consult with the engineering, with the real engineer. In this case, I just share to you about how to modeling the high-res in SketchUp. Okay, then we have to make a component and create it. Then we can arrange it to the another side. Okay, we can set the to this area anyway. We can set to this area, and we can type maybe 30 slash. Okay, and we can get the distance between the another frame are 1600 millimeter. Okay, and after that we can make it group first. We can make it group first maybe to help us for adjust this curtain wall. Okay, we have to make a group. Okay, and then we can copy it to this position with a move. You can use move. Okay, and then we have to rotate it with a rotate tool. Okay, and then we have to adjust it again. Okay, and then we have to place it on the appropriate position of this corner. Okay, and after that we can move and duplicate it to the another side. We can move, duplicate it to the another side. Okay, right click and flip the right side anyway. Then we have to move it to the wall like this. Okay, okay, and then we have to push it down anyway. We have to push it down. We have to push it down until the ground anyway. Okay. We have to push it down until the ground, or maybe we can adjust the lobby area, or lobby area only maybe. Maybe we can adjust it. But for now we have to make it complete first. Okay, and then we can make okay, we can make a horizontal frame anyway. We can make a horizontal frame right here. We can make horizontal frame on the three side right here. Okay, and then we can offset it. We can offset it inside, maybe around 70 millimeter. It's just for any size as you want, as proportional as possible. Okay, and then we have to push it down anyway. We have to push it down. Okay, we have to push it down until for any size, as proportional as possible anyway. Then make it group and make component, create it. Then we can move and select control. We can move right here. Okay, and we can move it right here. We can move it until here this position anyway. We can adjust it. Okay, till this position. Okay, you can see it. Okay, maybe anyone who knows about this detail, please share on the comment anyway, because it's just simple modeling to make exterior look anyway. But for the detail, I suggest you to consult with the facade engineer of the high-rise building. Okay, and then we can duplicate this horizontal frame to the another floor anyway. Then we have to make it group to make us easy for duplicate it, and then we have to move and select control from this line, from this corner, and then we can place on this and type on our keyboard X 49, so it will be automatically arranged. Okay, and then we can duplicate it again. Select this frame, select this group frame, and we have to select move and place for this corner and place on this corner also. Okay, and then we can make the ground floor area. Okay, we can make the ground floor area, the facade of and the drop off itself anyway. Okay, in this case maybe we can set the middle point first by this core area, and then we can place on another side as we want. We can select a move, select control, and we can select to this area maybe, and then we can select to this area maybe. So we have to make it unique. Actually, we can make it a unique frame. Okay, by select this center frame to make entrance, and right click and just make unique. Okay, everyone, and after that we can make this frame on the upside. Maybe we can set this. We can set the frame right here, and then we can set the glass, the frameless glass here. First of all, we have to make another floor. We have to make another entrance floor right here. We can make entrance. Can make entrance floor with rectangle. Then we can push it to the front. We can push it to the front for the lobby around maybe around 5 meter, and also okay, we can make a entrance door here, two entrance. We can make a two entrance. First of all, we have to make it group to make a entrance. Then we can make the rectangle of the glass first. Okay, like this, and then we can set the entrance door, and we can set the storefront door with the tape measure tool. We can set this 2000, and okay, we can set this 2000 and select it, and select move, select control. Okay, and then we can select we can adjust the height of the storefront door around 5,000 for example. Okay, and then we can make a line here. Sorry, we can make a rectangle here, and we can make a rectangle here. Okay, and then we can just click and erase. Then we can erase some unnecessary line also. Then we can push it to the front around maybe 40 millimeter, because it double glass anyway. Make group, and then we can make a sliding door here. We can make a sliding door around 40 millimeter also. Triple click and make group. And also we have to move. First of all, we have to make component first. Create it. Select a move and place on it, and select a move and place on another opening. Then we can move it to the back side of this storefront anyway. Okay, and then we can make another material with the glass anyway. We can set the glass material here. Okay, then we can set the color of the glass material. Maybe we can set this or another material. Okay, and after that, okay, actually we have to set the frame of the entrance itself. We can use this rectangle. We can set it to make a proportional look anyway. We can set from this corner and to this corner anyway. Okay, and we have to push it to the front. Okay, then we have to delete with rectangle for this frame. Group, and we have to erase it. I'm sorry, we have to push it back. Okay, then we have to push it down until the limit. Okay, and after that we have to push it to the front with a thickness as we want. And also we can make the more higher the wall, this wall, maybe around this. Okay, and also we can make a line, diagonal line right here. We can make a diagonal line also here. Sorry, and then we can offset the triple line, this triple line anyway. We can offset outside around, we can offset it maybe around 1,500 millimeter. Okay, and then we can delete it again. Sorry, we have to connect this diagonal to diagonal anyway. Okay, and after that we can make movement from this three line to the front. Select a move, and you can move it to make a more iconic entrance anyway. So, and after that we can make a concrete canopy. We can make a concrete canopy maybe with this, and then we have to push it to the front right here, and we can push it down again. And also we can make the console cantilever right here, offset to the limit. Okay, and after that we can also make a duplicate of this line to the upper position. Okay, and after that we can offset it inside. We can offset it inside. Then we can select this line. Sorry, we can select this line. and select a move, select control and bring it to the bottom. Okay, and then we can we can drop it. Okay, I will repeat it. We can select this line, we can select this line, select the fourth line, and then we have to select the drop. Okay, click and then select this plane. Okay, so it will be follow the border of this line that we desired. Okay, and then we can delete unnecessary line right here, and then we can delete this plane, we can delete this plane, and after that we have to make it solid with a line. We can make solid with a line anyway. Okay, and we can do this for another corner, we can do this for this corner. Okay, after that, okay, we can erase it, and then okay, just triple click, right click and make a group, and after that we can make a grid of the beam. Okay, like here, triple click and make group and make component and just create it. Okay, and after that we have to move, select control, and we have to push it on this place and type 6/enter, so it will be automatically arrangement of the canopy. Okay, and after that we can make the glass material here. We can make the glass material here. We can make the glass material. Okay, we can draw the rectangle here, and then we can offset it outside. We can offset it outside, right? For example, like here. And then we can erase it. Then we can push it up around 200 millimeter. Okay, and then we can offset it inside. We can offset inside. We can offset the canopy inside. We have to offset something like this, and then we can move this line. Sorry, we have to delete this plane anyway. We can delete this plane, and we can delete this plane and also this plane. Then we can connect the corner to corner line. Okay, we can connect the corner. Okay, we can connect the corner with the line, so it will be a solid object of this base of the glass roof anyway. And delete all this line. Then we have to triple click and make group. Okay, and after that we have to make a glass object right here, and then we can offset it just a little bit, maybe around, okay, like this, and then we can delete the line, the rectangle line, and then we have to push it up around 20 millimeter. Just make group. After that we can make a glass material on here. So if you want another glass, you can select the another glass in here, so it will be changed automatically. And then maybe you can make another material of this lobby. Okay, we can offset it. Sorry, we can offset it. We can adjust it to make maybe cladding material, or maybe you can one more material. Okay, and after that we can make another step stair with this rotated rectangle. Okay, we can make this rotated rectangle to make a stair step. We can make stair step around. Sorry, we can make a stair step rotated rectangle. Sorry, we can set the stair step. Set the height of the stair step around 15 centimeter, and then we can scale it until this position. Okay, and then we have to push it to the front around 400 millimeter. Then we can make it group and make it component and just create it. Okay, and after that we have to move and select control to duplicate it and type X9 and enter. So we can set the place position. We can delete this. Then we can make plane about the landscape, about the pavement anyway. Okay, we can set the pavement. Okay, and then we have to push it down. You can triple click and make it group. Okay, and after that we can push it until this position anyway. Push until the position, and then we can make another plane anyway. We can make another plane with a rectangle. Okay, we can make the another landscape element anyway. We can just push it to the another side or any size as we want anyway. Then we can make it the perimeter landscape here, and we can make a perimeter landscape here. Okay, and we can complete this landscape anyway. Okay, and then we can triple click and make it group, and we have to move it a little bit down around 50 millimeter to make a red. Be around 6 millimeter. Then we have to push this line to the bottom to make a ramp. Okay, we have to make it group, and we have to make it the same position. Okay. Okay, then we have to move and select control, and we have to flip it along with the green axis anyway. Then we have to move right here. Okay, and then we can make another plane on the front with any size as we want anyway. Maybe we can use this landscape area maybe, or many more. Okay, we can adjust it, we can adjust it also. We can make a curvy corner. With a 2-point arc anyway. Okay, and then we have to offset it inside. We can set with the landscape area. Okay, and then we have to triple click, make it group. Okay, and then we can set the concrete material right here. We can use this and select, press shift on this grass, and we can adjust it. so it will be automatically. Okay, and then we can adjust the another material in here. We can use this and we can make it more elegant look anyway. You can use a rectangle and set this in this position. Triple click and make group, and we can also triple click and make group. I'm sorry, we have to make a dividable access in here. We have to make a dividable access. Okay, we have to make a rectangle here and push it to the front around 100 and 500 millimeter, and then we can okay, we can set this more front, and then we have to push it until this, and then we can set 100 and 500 1500 millimeter, sorry. Okay, and then we can push it until here, and we can set the limit. We can make a borders around 1500 millimeter also. Then we have to push it down for any size anyway. We can set the line here, and then we can make for maybe around okay, maybe it's just a conceptual RAM anyways. I suggest you have to study it with a time saver standard or another architectural standard to make a RAM. Okay, and then we have to push it 1500 millimeter, and then we have to push it to the front again. We can make a line here, then we can set the sloping again here, then we can set the borders here, then we can set ini with 1500 millimeter. Then we can offset it again, then we have to push it to the front. We can set with the correct position. Okay, anyway, I suggest you to make more detail about this access, dividable access anyway. You said you have to make it more detail about the dividable access because it has a standard. Okay, we can set another material for it. Then we can set the main entrance of the tower. We can set the main entrance of the tower with another, maybe we can use stone material right here. It's too small anyway, we can make it larger. Okay, or maybe only 4000. Okay, so it look more elegant than before. Then you have to make it with I suggest you to make a metal material for a canopy because it look more elegant material instead. Okay, and maybe we can set many more. Then you have to set the stone material for the floor. You have to select the stone, and you can use marble stone. I'm sorry. Okay, you have to divide about the floor area with this. You have to divide it with the granite dark gray anyway, and also this. Then you can make a larger texture, maybe around 5,000. Okay, and also you can push it down again until like this. Okay, and after that we can make glazing of this building with another glazing anyway. We can set this glazing with line and select this, and we can select this. We can adjust with the 3 position over there. Okay, and then we have to triple click and offset it outside. You can offset it outside around 60 millimeter, for example, because it double or triple glass anyway. So it should be a thick glazing. Then we have to push it until the down position right here. We can select this point first, then we have to set the line here, and then also we can set the line here. Okay, and then we have to push it to the down. You can push it to the down maybe until like this. Then we can push it to the down until here maybe. Okay, triple click and make group, and we can adjust we can select the material, and we can add material. We can add different material for curtain wall glazing. We can make a large glass. Okay, and then we can assign it. Then we can set the darkness of the material or opacity of the material itself anyway. So it would be the dark material of the high-rise building anyway. Okay, or maybe you can set the color as you want. Maybe we just select this color itself. Okay, or maybe we can set this material to this. We can set to this lobby with this material anyway. So it more better look than before anyway. And this is front. Sorry, this is only for a reception or lobby area. So we can make a reception and lobby area right here. We can just explore about it. Maybe something like this. You can just select it. Okay, and many more. Okay, and then we can make another material on another place anyway. We can set the material. Maybe we can use this, and then we can adjust this to make a material to be like this. Okay, and after that we can complete this landscape with a rectangle. Adjust it with this plane. and we have to copy it, and we have to make again, we have to make again, we have to make it again, and we have to complete this landscape anyway. Okay, we have to push it up until this position, then we have to make a curvy of the corner, and then we have to make a curvy of the corner also, and another corner we have to make it. Okay, and then you can offset it aside, then you can select the grass material right here, so it will be finished, and you can set another material for this concrete area. Maybe you can use this, and you can set another floor with this material. Okay, and then you can duplicate it to make the grid high rise. Anyway, you can duplicate it by the circle. You can use the circle area. You can maybe you can place on here, or okay, approximately like here. You have to bring it down, and or you can adjust it something like this. Okay, and then you can make it group, and you can rotate and duplicate it until it become a triple tower, maybe until 90 degree, and just type 2/enter, so it will be automatically arrangement. And then we can make another support building for a schematic only. Maybe we can set the building support right here and right here. Maybe it depends on our needs anyway. Maybe we can use this, or maybe we can set this area to make a supporting building again right here. Okay, just something like this, and then we can set the glass area with this building anyway, to represent that this is a commercial function of this building anyway. Okay, then we have to just click it and move it down, and just select another material anyway, and also this, and also this one. You have to move it down, and we can select with another material. Okay, and then we can set the landscape area. Okay, maybe something like this, and we can we can assign with another component anyway. We can select the another component with the 3 component. We can set the 3 over there. We can move. Okay, and then we can set. We can duplicate. To make a greenery area. Okay, and then we can set the color of the tree with the color and select this material. Okay, it's just for example for a simple mesh of the high-rise building in Sketchup. I hope you will learn a lot from this basics building, and for the another detailed standard or another standard, you have to consult with the engineer to looking for the correct standard of the dimension and the specification or facade detail and many more anyway. Okay, I think it's enough. Thanks for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and wait for my next video. Thank you.